At least 14 people have died and dozens have been injured on Indonesia's Java island after an active volcano erupted for the second time in months. Indonesia sits on the Ring of Fire, a region around the Pacific Ocean that's susceptible to volcanoes and earthquakes. The volcano Mount Semeru has been in a state of near constant eruption for decades. Sadaba Haidari reports.
A thick giant volcanic ash cloud on Indonesia's Java island sneaking up on nearby villages. The debris and smoke so thick it turns day into night, blocking the sun and leaving panic-stricken residents in pitch darkness. The hot lava instantly causes huge destruction. Its first casualty, a 100-meter bridge connecting two areas in East Java. The country's disaster mitigation agency says dozens of people have been injured, including 2 pregnant women. Distraught residents return to their homes, now submerged in cold lava. Hundreds of other families and children, forced to flee their villages destroyed by the volcano, are taken to nearby shelters.
The people behind me who've been evacuated are local villagers. Some of the villagers are being evacuated to public areas. At the moment, they need assistance like daily necessities, food, drinks. We don't know how long they need to stay here.
Rescuers arrive at a village almost entirely destroyed by lava floods. They search for survivors. Java's highest mountain, at almost 4,000 meters, erupted at 3 p.m. local time on Saturday. The volcano has been in a state of near constant eruption for decades. Sitting on the Ring of Fire, a region around the Pacific Ocean, Indonesia is prone to volcanoes and earthquakes. In 2018, a volcano in the strait between Java and Sumatra Islands killed more than 400 people. Sadaba Haidari, BBC News.
Valdia Baraputri has the latest from Jakarta.
The Indonesian Disaster Mitigation Agency has confirmed that 13 people had died and dozens of others are injured and suffered from burn. Meanwhile, they're still looking for one missing person, and according to a local official, 10 people are still trapped in their homes. Meanwhile, 900 people from villages in the area are evacuated to mosques, school buildings, and village meeting halls. According to the SAR team, they are now have received enough basic needs such as clothing, food, first aid, and masks. They cannot take anything with them. Their houses that are covered with thick volcanic ash are beyond repair, and their livestock are killed by the eruption. The eruption of Mount Semeru had also destroyed a bridge in the area that connect 2 regencies, and so at least a couple of villages in that area are isolated. This makes it difficult to deliver aid to people that are isolated in those villages, but local officials hope as soon as the weather permits, the rescue and aid can be carried out by helicopter.
How much of a warning did people have of what was happening?
Well, according to the Indonesian volcanological survey, they have sent out early warning on the 1st of December to the local government and officials. However, they also sent out the same early warning to about 69 other active volcanoes in Indonesia. So they said that they have sent out the early warning, and the local official says that according to the visibility on the ground, they says that the early eruptions shows no danger to the area at that time on December 1st.